Alright boys, good morning. Well, good afternoon. We are loading up and getting ready for a local 8th mile event here. It's a little hitters, they call it little H-Town hitters or little hitters class, 490 cap type deal. So ended up figuring out whatever broke at the last event with the car. We twisted an axle on the outer stub, you know, basically where you bolt up the axle, that completely twisted off. From what G-Force had spoke with me about was that it's the older style axle and the material was a little different than what they use now. So yeah, I sent them out and got them figured out and updated or whatnot. So back in it, ready to go. It is a capped class, so we're gonna have to run within that number. So it's gonna be a lot of close racing. It's local. A lot of the local guys that we're cool with, hang out with, run this event, and look forward to it. I think I got a hot rod that I can finally keep up in these classes. I've ran these classes before with our stock motor stuff, and it was a great time, but we just never had enough, right? So we're gonna try again today. Hopefully all goes smooth. The Tank and Garcia fight is tonight. I'm not sure exactly what the schedule is gonna be like, but we do want to watch it. All the boys are gonna go to the track today since it's a local event, and we're gonna have some fun. Win, lose, or draw, you know. We're gonna go out there and have a good time. So stay tuned. About to load it up, get ready, and see you in a bit.
Fierro. Ahora sí, compas, ¿cómo vamos a hacer? ¿En español, verdad?
Sí, en español. Toda la raza allá. San Luis, Guatemala, ya saben. Gente de Nuevo León, saludos. Ya Martín.
Adventures of Chef Pepin.
Lo barato sale caro, te.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
Ándale. Huh?
Mira. Hey, that's how you know he's Mexican. He got one in the bag of the
Alright, fool, we gonna eat nothing but lighter fluid.
That's better than that bullshit you got on.
That's eco-friendly. It was $1 cheaper, that's why I got that one. I'm trying to save this fool some money.
No, the fuck you ain't. You don't never save me no money, though. Alright boys, so finally set up at the track, ready to go. It's time to just hurry up and wait. So man, we decided to go ahead and grill it. Stop at the Michoacana. Shout out to the Michoacana. And then Chef Pepin on the ones and twos.
Oh shit.
You gotta watch his ass. They talk about saving money, he gonna catch the whole rig on fire.
He bought that Go Green bullshit. That shit didn't even catch on fire, bro.
He bought vegan oil. Alright.
So don't buy this bullshit.
What is it?
Don't buy that shit. That's the shit that Angel bought.
Yeah, just don't send Angel to the store anymore. We sat at Home Depot for over an hour, him trying to buy a grill. He bought it, and then they couldn't find it, and then he had to go get his money back, and all that took over an hour.
No, you gotta tell them that we got a grill, we got the display one, but it didn't have the top part to grill.
And then?
So then I returned it. Or after, before I asked for 80% off. And then I would have to make my own.
We're gonna hang out for a little bit, probably get some B-roll, and maybe set up a GoPro so you can kind of catch a little bit of the bullshit that we be doing in between racing. So anyways, here we go. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Good. What you running today? Testing?
No, we're gonna do the 490, the little hitter.
Oh shit, yeah.
Let's see how that goes.
Going into first.
Hold it down.
Live at 5, baby.
Yeah.
All right, boys, so just a quick update. We've been in line for probably going on 2 hours now. Had one car, I guess had a transmission fluid issue, so it leaked oil down the track. And then took about an hour to clean that up. And right after that, like the first pair or second pair down, guy grenaded a motor. So we're in cleanup stages now. Car's ready to go. We're ready to go. There's 6 cars to do a test, and they're pretty far behind. So we're gonna get it right here. Hopefully we can get it within the vicinity of where we need to be as far as time goes. And we got something to work with. So stay tuned. I got my guys recording a little bit, and I also have the GoPros. So keep up. Here. Turbo cars, no problem. Well, guess what he does? I grab the pre-stage, he rolls in and grabs both of them. That's a little disrespect. So I made his ass wait, bump in, and tattooed his ass on the tree. Pow! Then I pulled the chute early on his motherfucking ass for being a hoe. But we won first round, into second. Hopefully after this second round, we're in the money. So let's get it. Boom. Listo, papá. Mira. Primer round contra Luis. Camarada aquí el vato. El carro de él creo que corrió y nosotros corrimos como 6-9, pero le ganamos al hijo de su puta madre. Ahora vamos al segundo round. Ojalá después del segundo round ya estamos en la feria y ojalá ganemos una feria aquí. Para irnos para el Bucks Wild. Para el Bucks Wild con todas las putas.
What happened after that starting line? Man, they didn't want to bet against my boy Aldowelds. Hey, we out there gambling. They didn't want to do nothing though. We out there, you know, we out there. We had 200 on my boy Aldo. They knew better than that. Aldowelds all the way. We live at 5, baby, up.
Improvise here. Improvise. Got the surround sound, the Sonos. Shout out to Sonos. Big screen.
Marnell, the third executive director.
Hopefully my side camera has it. I had to pedal 2 or 3 times and I seen him, so I just pedaled with him. That shit was a great race. Woo! All right, boys, past round 2. Tough round 2. Daniel Burks was a really good race, man. We left. I was in it, and man, I I was out in front of him, and I just see him kind of just coming. So I kind of grabbed the scramble to get out in front, and I get out of it, and then he's coming again. So I get back in it just enough to fucking edge him out at the end. And yeah, on to round 3 in the semis. I think we get our buy-in back in the semis. So technically we're in the money. Hopefully once we get past this one, we'll be in the big money. So I got a car that's gonna do it. I'm confident. If everything keeps working the way it is, I have a lot of confidence that we're gonna be in the finals. So let's go.
Hey, they went against Aldowelds. I tell you what, I did it. And guess what? It paid. Look, 20s, 1s, 20s, 100s, everything. It paid. You never go against my boy Aldowelds.
Flip for it.
Huh?
Flip for it.
Ain't no flipping for it. Hey, come on, we won. $400 cash. I got 50 so far. Anybody else? Left lane. Left lane. Left lane. Come on. Win or lose.
First bulb, and when I went to get on the trans brake, the car moved enough to grab the second light, and versus a nitrous car, man, I didn't have a chance to spool it. I was a little too late on the spool, and ended up getting beat on that. So that's my fault. I shit the bed on that. Can't do nothing about it. Live to fight another day. I'll go get a little bit of money. Let's go. As I said, I kind of shit the bed on that one. The car, the last pass, I didn't pull the chute. I actually ended up braking the whole way, and this track's really short, so I think I got the brakes pretty hot. So came up to this one, got on the pre-stage. Right when I grabbed the trans brake button, the car rolled just enough to turn the second bulb on, and when it did that, it dropped the tree, and I wasn't fully spooled, so can't do that against a nitrous car. But anyways, man, had a good time. The boys came out, we all had a blast. We cooked, we grilled, ate some good food, hung out, talked shit, and what more can you ask for, man? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I know now for a fact, they know what's up with this ride, baby. They on notice for any motherfucking 490 cap class right here, baby. Alright, I'm gonna give me one before the end of the year, big check. I want a big old check so I can hang up in my living room. I don't give a shit, alright? So, shout out to everybody, man. My boy Jose, Angel, the Majes, Christian, Lily, right? I got it right, Lily. My boy Nestor brought an old friend Lily. Man, everybody. My wife, man, especially to my wife. She took care of the things at home. Took my baby to go play a tournament, a pickup tournament she had in 6U. So she did that. I know that they did really well as well. So, but for the most part, man, we're done. We're out. Time to load up. And this ain't gonna be the final. This ain't gonna be the final chapter of this car, baby. Watch. This motherfucker right here gonna put in work. All right, man. So stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, all that good shit. Fire sign, all the emojis in the comments, please. And I am gonna give away a car soon, okay? Don't know full details about it yet, but I am gonna do a giveaway, and it's gonna be a bad bitch, all right? So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, tell everybody about the channel, and let's get it, baby. Coyote power all the way.